Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we have here a Watch Ultra clone. It's the T900 Ultra 2 smartwatch. And as you can see here, it promotes the wide or the big screen display. It is using the HiWatch Pro and this wireless charging. So we are going to check this wearable. Okay, we have the black color here and see if what is the new features for the T900 Ultra 2 smartwatch. Previously we have the T800 Ultra 2. We also have the T900 Ultra smartwatch, and this time we have this one. So we are going to check if there's a difference, if there's an added features or not. Okay, so we are going to have the unboxing of this new smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding this video review, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, let's start. Okay, so we have here a simple box. It is also somewhat similar to the T800 Ultra 2 Max smartwatch. We have here space, aluminum case. Okay, do we have some details here? Additional details? None. But this one, as you can see here, 49mm. And that's it. Okay, so let's open the box. Again, this is the T900 Ultra 2 smartwatch. Okay, so let's remove the plastic cover here. Let's remove the plastic cover. Okay, let's check the contents inside. Okay, so we have a user manual. Okay, available in Chinese and English language. As you can see here, we have the black strap. We have the wireless charging. And we have smartwatch. Okay, so we have a black color. Let's remove this one. So we have a PC or plastic back cover here. So this one, we don't have a real watch strap lock. This is just a drawing, as well as this screw here. Okay, we still have the orange action button, the crown button, and the pill shape button. Okay, let's weigh in. Let's check. Again, this is a 49mm smartwatch. Let's turn it on. So the weight is around 39 grams. Okay, 56 with this strap. Okay, so it's still a lightweight wearable. Okay, just less than 50 grams without the strap on. So let's attach this one. Again, as you can see here, we don't have a watch strap lock, so it's still force fitting. Let's attach this one. Okay, so it seems like it's okay. Then another one. Okay, let's check. Looks okay, looks decent. Okay, but it seems like I like the T800 more. Okay, so let's have a closer look at this smartwatch. Again, this is a 49mm Watch Ultra clone smartwatch. It's the T900 Ultra smartwatch with a 2.19-inch screen display. Let's power it on and check for the UI. Let's have a preview. We still have a power. Okay, seems like it's already been depleted. Okay, we'll charge it and see if what is the UI, okay, of the wearable. Let's see the setup for its UI. Okay, so we charged the T900 Ultra 2 smartwatch for a few minutes, and we have here the UI or the watch face of the smartwatch. So we have here the dynamic watch face. Let's see, on the top of the smartwatch we have the message notifications. On the bottom part we have the settings. On the left side, so we have the split screen. Right side we have the different watch faces. Okay, so that's the setup of the wearable. This one, so this is for the menu. You can zoom in and zoom out or change the watch face. Well, this one, okay, return button. I guess this one is for the sports function. Okay, shortcut for the sports. Let's see. Okay, as expected. Okay, so that's it for the UI of the T900 Ultra 2 smartwatch. Okay, so far looks decent except for this one. Okay, so it is just a drawing here, just a graphics. Okay, non-functional for the screws and the watch drop lock. Okay, so this is again your T900 Ultra 2 smartwatch. Okay, and it's using the HiWatch Pro. So if you have any questions regarding the wearable, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries. We do have that time. Bye.